Do you want to instantly elevate your space with beautiful lighting without having to hire an electrician? Hey guys, it's Rebecca with WTI, and as soon as I installed this set of two rechargeable battery-operated wall sconces from TERLEENART, they completely transformed my space. Installation was so simple, no wiring required, and it comes with all the mounting hardware so you're fully set up. What I love most is how customizable they are. You get 3 daily light modes, warm, neutral, and white, with 5 adjustable brightness levels from 25% all the way up to 100%. There are also 12 different color modes, plus smooth and flash options to switch up the vibe. The 30 and 60-minute timer settings are such a thoughtful bonus. The set includes 2 rechargeable bulbs, 2 charging cables, 2 mounting hooks, and 2 remote controls. The bulbs even have a magnetic base, making installation and charging super easy. They add such an amazing upgrade to any room, giving it that sophisticated, designer-inspired look without any permanent changes. Honestly, this was exactly the upgrade that my living room and office space needed, and that's my point of view.